mean, it couldn't have been easier. You had me fill out a survey of like how easy it was. I thought it was the easiest thing. I'm 48 years old, so but I'm proficient with technology, but I would say no more than anyone at my age group. Obviously, like someone like my mom, I think even she could have, who has less proficiency with technology, I think it would have been very easy for her too. The technician who gave me the tips in the doctor's office, um, set up the app for me, showed me, the weight bearing range of 40 to 60% and described it to me in about a minute, like what the lights mean. And we did a quick 2 or 3 minute walk around test in the office. I would say in under 5 minutes, I was able to figure it out. And I didn't have to fidget with my phone at all. I figured out where some of the notification settings were, like if I was in like a dark theater or something, I didn't want the lights flashing red and blue and disturbing other people. So I was able to figure out how to turn that on and off very easily. The sound was defaulted to be on, and I turned that off just because I was in an office and I didn't want to disturb other people. So it was all very, very easy, very simple.